It's time to engage our students with fun and easy to use keyboard shortcuts in Canva. Hello and welcome back. I am MrsPTarleton and I'm here to help you work smarter and not harder. In this video, I'm showing you some really amazing magical hacks with the keyboard shortcuts to engage students using Canva. Really quickly, for those of you who have not used Canva before, Canva is a graphic design tool that makes creating presentations a breeze. If you need help getting started, I have created this beginner video to help you, and I will link it below in the description. Remember that Canva is free to educators, so if you do not have your free account, you are missing out. Join the Canva revolution today, and don't forget, your students can use this also, so you may want to share these shortcuts with your students also to help them engage the audience when they are presenting. Canva has tons of templates and resources available, so you never have to start with a blank slate. So, without further ado, let's get into these engaging keyboard shortcuts. The features that I'm showing you today are the ones that are related to the presentation or slideshow while using Canva. Using this ready-made presentation in Canva, I'm going to walk you through the best engagement features in Canva to make your presentations more engaging and really fun for students. Now, in presentation mode, you go up here to the top, click on Presentation or Present, and then click here to Present. These only work, what I'm showing you, only works in presentation mode. So now in presentation mode, on your keyboard, press the letter C. And this confetti rain falls all over your screen. Each time you press the C, just the letter C, that's all you have to do. You get this confetti rain. It's so fun. You don't have to hold down any other buttons, just the letter C will create this wonderful engagement. Next one is the letter D, as in dog. Press the letter D. And you get this amazing drum roll. How cool would that be if you're doing some random drawing and you can have this great drum roll feature? This would be great for Student of the Month, for announcing special awards, all kinds of things that you could use this drum roll for. What if a student does something amazing in the class? Press the letter M on your keyboard. Press it again. You have that mic drop moment. Perfect. What about just to get their attention? Press the letter O. These cute little bubbles float across your screen. What if you need them to be quiet? Press the letter Q. Now we started out with this one, the curtain call. Press the letter U, it brings up your curtain. Press it again, and it opens your curtain. So it'd be kind of cool if you want to add it, maybe before presentation starts like I did, or to add a little element of surprise in your presentation. What if you wanted to share something special and you wanted to not have the students focus on your slides? Press the B on your keyboard. It will blur out your screen. Or maybe you want to give them think time before you go on to the next thing and you don't want the students focusing or distracted. Press the B to blur your screen. Press it again and it unblurs. Now, one of the most impressive features that I love about this is you can press any number on your screen and it will bring up that many minutes of a timer. If you press 0, you can add seconds. You can adjust this however you like. It's so handy. I absolutely love this. Press the number again and it removes the timer. Now, I don't know about you. I haven't seen it yet, but supposedly if you press S, there's supposed to be a spider. I don't know if it's just not come to my area yet. And G is supposed to give you a ghost. I have not seen those two yet. And it's not working on my home computer, my school computer. Let me know. Do you have that feature on your Canva slides? I'm jealous. This is one that's really handy to know. If you press Control, Alt, and G, it will bring up this bottom panel here, and you can skip to whatever slide you want. Just type in the number and it will skip to that slide. But what's even better than that? What if you're using your remote to advance the slides and your remote stops working? Down here, if you go right here to More, and then Share Remote Control, you can actually scan this QR code and use it from your cell phone or enter the code. And you can control your slides now from your cell phone. That's amazing. Now, what about this feature? You can actually do a Q&A session. Students go in, they log in, they put in the code, and they can ask questions or answer your questions live. And it will populate here, and you will see what they are saying. They can like each other's comments, all kinds of fun features with that. If you want to end the Q&A, just click End, or if you want to hide it temporarily, you can hide it as well. And then just bring it back by clicking Show. Control Alt G will bring up this bottom panel and give you these added features. Here are the magic shortcuts that we've gone over. It's not showing here the spider yet, but I think the spider is coming. Maybe it'll be here in time for Halloween. This is where you go live, and this is your presenter view. So what was your favorite shortcut key? Could you use this in your classroom? My students are really getting a kick out of this, and you know, I might be a little bit late to the game on this one, but I am so glad that I found these features. So much fun. Now, if you need that video to start in Canva, how to begin using Canva, I'll link that down below in the description. If you're more advanced, check out one of these videos. I'll see you in the next one.